Okay, shop tour 2025. This is in my basement, by the way. It's my job site miter saw, which I love. I don't have a miter station, so to speak, so that does well. I have the shop vac hooked up to it. Odds and ends, my Bluetooth radio's up there. And it's a mess. Toolboxes, leads, and I got my cabinet with all my channel stickers on it that people have been nice enough to send me. I'm supposed to get a couple more, so this just houses drill bits, router bits, glue, this, that, and the other, and then the top's got brad nails, miscellaneous stuff on it. My little wind drill press, really nice. Bauer sander, and in the dresser there's sanders and jigsaws and all the handheld stuff. My little utility cart I made to wheel stuff around the shop when I need it. Jay Creates made one, kind of reminded me of what I done here. Put rollers on it and everything's, all my jigs down there, sleds, miter jigs. My bench is a mess because I've been doing stuff today. I've done these frames for the wife for her metal signs. This bench sets up against the wall. It's 4 foot by 8 foot. And I'd rather have it somewhere else, but I'm not going to move the daggone thing. Screws, assortments, a little worthless router table. It's on a cabinet. I put rollers on it. My cart. New scroll saw. I've only used one so far. Joiner. Bought that on Marketplace for $150. It's real heavy. It's cast iron. It's nice. My other scroll saw. My little cheapy bandsaw, which does the job. My planer, Craftsman, bought it back in the winter time. I paid a cart for it. And my job site table saw, which is hooked up to my Dustbuster Pro, which is pretty cool. I like it real well. It does a good job. When you take that shop vac apart, there's hardly any residue in the bottom of it. It all goes in that bucket. So I keep it hooked up to my table saw. It does a nice job. But this is only from that pillar to that wall is 13 foot, and from that back wall there to the bench that's back here is 25 foot. I got a bunch of pallet wood stuff back here I'm gonna use up. Bunch of stuff I gotta burn too. It's just a typical basement kind of shop. So you guys like, subscribe, give me a like, give me a comment, tell me what you think. All right, thanks, bye.